Have you ever wondered about the physics that keeps a kite soaring high above you? We're diving into the fascinating science behind these simple flying machines. Kites have been around for thousands of years, offering fun and, as we'll see, a great lesson in aerodynamics. At its heart, a kite is an unpowered, tethered, heavier-than-air craft that uses wind to generate lift and drag for flight. A kite consists of three basic parts: the sail, which catches the wind, the frame, which gives it shape, and the line, which keeps it connected to the ground. The key to a kite's flight is air, specifically how the kite interacts with moving air or wind. As wind hits the kite's surface, it creates resistance and is split into streams flowing both over and under the kite. By adjusting the kite's angle relative to the wind, known as the quote, angle of attack, the kite can efficiently convert wind force into upward motion. Like an airplane, a kite is governed by four primary forces: lift, drag, gravity, and the tension of the flying line. Lift is generated because air moves faster over the curved top surface of the kite than underneath it. This difference in speed creates a lower pressure area on top, literally pulling the kite upward. Drag is the force of air resistance that opposes the kite's forward or upward motion, caused by friction and pressure differences. To fly smoothly without tumbling, a kite needs stability, achieved through careful design and balance. The tail provides drag at the bottom, which acts as a pivot point to help maintain orientation. The bridle, which is the string system connecting the line to the kite, sets the optimal angle of attack. By pulling or releasing the flying line, you change the tension and the kite's angle of attack, allowing you to control its height and direction. The simple kite is a complex interaction of physics, harnessing the unseen power of the wind to defy gravity. Ultimately, a kite flies when the force of lift exceeds the force of gravity, and the angle of the line balances the forces of drag and wind. Now that you understand the science, go out and enjoy the magic of flight with your own kite.